simplification. So in this lesson, we will look at what the word simplification means. And it's really the process whereby an expression is written down as simply as possible, and any terms which are alike are combined. And like terms, as we know, are the terms that are basically identical, and they also have the same powers, and they can only differ in their coefficients, meaning the number in front of them. So for example, if I was to say that m and 3m and 7m and negative 4m are the same, are the like terms, is because they all have m raised to the same power of 1, which we are not writing. But we should know that 6m squared or 7m to the negative 3, these are not like terms because they have different powers, different indices added. Okay, so the only thing that can change is the number in front. The coefficient is what we call it. The number in front can change, but the m must always be the same and to the same power. Similarly, if I have t squared, let's make it 6t squared, then that's the like term to 4t squared. It's also like term to negative 7t squared, because in each case we have the variable raised to the same power, the letter raised to the same power. So that makes them like terms, but they're not like terms as 6 t squared, t cubed, sorry, that's not a like term, or t to negative 5. They're not like terms because they have different indices attached to them. So we should understand that. And so what happens is, when we want to simplify, if I had 6m squared plus 5m squared, the moment I see that they are like terms because they have the same variable raised to the same power, then I can work with them. So in this case, it will become 11m squared. And the reason why we call it simplification is because we had two numbers here, one, or really actually two terms here, and here on this side I only have one. So I've made my life simpler. Instead of having two, I only have the one now. So sometimes you could have different terms mixed together and you just put together the ones that belong together. So if I have 3y plus 4t plus 2y, then I can simplify by putting the like terms together. In this case, y and y can go together. So we're going to have 5y, because 3 plus 2 equals 5, plus 4t. And lastly, by way of example, I might have even more, 6m squared plus 3m cubed plus 5m cubed minus m squared. So in this case, I know that this m squared can go with this m squared. They can go together. I can simplify them, and here we have a minus sign. So 2m squared, take away 1. There's an invisible 1 here. When there's no coefficient, it's always 1. So 2 take away 1 will give us 1. So we have m squared. And then these two are also like terms. Plus 3m cubed plus 5m cubed will give us plus 8m cubed. So I've simplified again because I've put the like terms together. So we're saying that basically simplification is a process of putting like terms together. Have a go at these and see how you do.